Now you can see that this structure under the microscope, how the male reproductive system of a flowering plants like in hibiscus plant looks like under the microscope, right? Now we can see that these are the anther anther and filament, right? These are the yellow color structure at the anther structure. Now in case of anther, we know that anther is basically the bilobed structure. See that these are the bilobe structure of the anther, and this the red structure is the filament, right? This structure, these are bilobe structure, and from here actually the bilobe structure contain four or tetrasporangium. Tetrasporangium, actually here the microsporogenesis occurs and spore formation actually takes place in the anther, right? And these yellow structures are spore. Now you will see the complete structure. These are complete the parts of the hibiscus flower, the Androecium part under the microscope, how it looks like under the microscope. See that these beautiful yellow color parts, and then see that these are structure, and now these are also the part of the we have dissected one part of the Androecium part, and these are the filament part, and these are the anther part. Anther is there, see that these are right, and these are the yellow part, and these are the part of the male reproductive part of the flower, and actually here microsporogenesis occur.